Hey, to copy apps on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you have to open the settings, scroll down, move into the advanced features. From this, select Dual Messenger app, and right here we can find all the social apps, like for example the WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat, and the Facebook. And if you want to create a copy of this kind of the apps, you have to just click on this switcher, tap to install. Now, when you open your app drawer, you can actually find the same apps on your phone and basically use the two separate accounts. But you actually cannot copy apps like, for example, the Discord, Netflix, or the Reddit. But I'm going to show you how you can do this with the second method. So we have to open the settings one more time. Now you will have to go into the security and the privacy. From this, you have to go to the more security settings and select secure folder. Now click continue again. And from this, you have to just wait for this creation process. It will take probably around 20 or 30 seconds. So after creation, you will get this notification and you have to click done. Now you have to set the lock screen method for the secure folder. In my case, I'm going to get this simple pattern. So input your pattern and do this second time and click confirm. Now you can reset this Samsung folder with the Samsung account if you forgot the password. If you don't need this function, click cancel. Then click OK. Now tap next. And from this, if you want to clone any apps, click on the apps. And for example, we can try to clone BeReal application and click add. Now, as you can see, we've got this application right here, so we can open it. And the second application appears in the app drawer. It's just right here. So it works the same like copy this WhatsApp application, but to actually use this second app, we have to actually open the secure folder that appears just right here. And that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe.